we go. So, there's a lot to talk about. Dorian is, whoops, there we go. There's you know, we could, we have about an hour. We could talk about technical stuff the whole time. We could talk about what the finished product will be and what we expect about it. This is basically the things that I thought we could cover. Really quickly, I want to get through the first three so we can get to the fourth, which is all the artists will come in up individually and show you something cool. So, introduce the team. We've got now 10 artists / developers, including Matt Ebb, which is quite impressive. So I thought I would just introduce myself and pass the mic. Transition, nice. So I am Colin Levy, good to meet you. I'm directing Dorian. Feel very lucky to do so. And woo!
And I'm David Revoy from France. Very nice to meet you too.
What are you doing?
I'm Sönke Meter from Germany, and I will be responsible for shading and compositing. Yeah.
I'm Nathan Vegdahl, and this is Ben Dancy. And I'll be doing rigging and animation. And I don't know, why do we have Ben on the team? Oh, he was going to make the movie. Right. Yeah, necessary.
It's a pilot.
Yeah. We're just all going to kick back.
Hi, I'm Angela from Canada. I'll be modeling characters and also doing facial blend shapes and rigging.
I'm Lisa Vemini. I'll be doing mostly animation and anything else that these guys want in the first couple of months.
Hi, I'm Campbell Barton. I'll be doing studio pipeline, bug fixes, some development, render farm. Yeah, keeping things running.
Hi, I'm Brecht van Mommel, and I'll be doing mostly software development.
Excellent. All right, so I was going to leave this to the end, but for reasons I don't have to get into, we're going to start by revealing the title.
Arriving in Amsterdam?
Yeah. So that's not quite, no, that's not it. A few weeks ago, Tom posted, or maybe it was 2 weeks ago, Tom posted this blog post on the Dorian blog. I hope you're keeping updated and going to it often. And we have, the nice thing about this is we've got a huge community of people who are fanatics and have chosen to read into every frame of video that we post. And Tom shot this photo, and as you can see, in this general region is a tile, is a frame, which was then enlarged and studied for an hour. And this guy, D, took it into GIMP and had a guess. So, we'll see if he's right. Drum roll. I must add a little disclaimer, and this is pretty much a working title, but that's what we're calling it for now. It may change in the future, so no promises. It was at one point called Sintel Dragon Hunter, if that adds anything. But I personally prefer just Sintel. So we're going with that.